You know what?
But
All right.
I feel like this is just not your thing, so that's why I'm better.
Oh, what? How do you know what my thing is?
Motorcycles.
How do you know what my thing is? Like, how do you know I can't be good at multiple things?
Because you said you don't want to do it because you're not scared.
Oh, what? Yeah, I'm not scared.
Look me in the eyes and tell me that you weren't scared.
I'm not scared. Come on, let's go.
Yes, you were.
Come on, get on.
Is the thing on my head open, like the air thing?
Yeah, it's open.
Okay.
Well, it was half open.
Because I'm starting to sweat.
Now you're understanding the struggle.
Mm-hmm.
It's hot. It's hot in here. But once you get moving, it'll be worth it. So,
Where are we going?
none of your business.
Can you tell me where we're traveling to?
You can ask the same question a different way and you're still going to get the same answer.
Can you tell me where our destination is?
None of your business. We're going to the land of Nunya. Alright, we gotta get some gas. I don't think we'll make it if we don't.
You look like you're like the superhero.
I am a superhero.
No, like you know the Ant-Man and the Wasp when they wore those masks?
Yeah.
And they had like points on the end? That's what it looks like, okay?
Oh.
You may say no, but it is.
I'm
That's
pretty
what it
sure
looks
I'm
like.
still a superhero. At least that's what I've been told.
Who told you that?
Pretty much everybody. Get some gas. Get some gas. Did this place get new pumps? I think they did. I think they did. I think they upgraded their stuff.
Stuff?
Yeah. It's like stuff, but better.
Yeah!
What? No. Wait a second. That can't be right. I only put in a gallon? No way. That doesn't seem right.
Say a command. Cancelled.
I put all that gas in there, and it was still less than a gallon? So you're telling me I can go 70 miles with less than a gallon? Because it had about 70-mile range. Actually, no, it had about 30-mile range. That's what it said.
Oh.
I'm confused. I don't understand what just happened. Go ahead, scoot back a little bit. Come on, scoot on back.
Is that good?
Is that as far as you can go?
Kind of, yeah.
Okay, all right. Then you're good. Are your feet comfy?
Uh-huh.
All right, good.
Maybe your butt's just getting big.
Hey. And we're not talking about my butt here. We are almost there.
Okay.
Yep, almost, I think. I don't think this was the exit.
Huh?
Pretty sure I messed up.
Good job, yeah.
Yeah! Woo, getting lost.
Give him a round of applause.
Hey. I don't like your attitude. All right, you want some hints?
Sure.
You're gonna be in a suit.
I am?
Yes.
Oh. Really? I think I know what it is.
You are,
No, don't give me any more hints.
Okay.
I already know where I'm going.
What, tell me.
No.
Tell me.
Are we going to indoor skydiving?
Who told you? Anyways, yeah, folks. Man, I thought it was going to be a surprise. We're going to do indoor skydiving. We're going to strap on some suits and hover above some big-ass fans and fly around the room, because that's what people do. got this. You got this. You can do it. Now, what's your name? Alexandra, high five, you're all set.
I didn't know if he was like lifting me or not, but I saw it and I was actually.
You did a great job.
Mhm.
I'm proud of you. I think you did better than I would have done.
Well, obviously. Well, that's all for today, folks. Make sure to subscribe and follow my Instagram. I'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, that's good enough. Thanks, Alex.
Welcome, Dad.